This tutorial will show you how to transfer a service part from one bin location in the warehouse to another bin location in the warehouse in SAP. The tutorial will also describe the basic requirements you need to perform this process, and the expected outcome of the process. Areas that are covered. 1. Opening SAP. 2. Creating a transfer order. 3. Confirming the open transfer order. You may be required to move components from one bin location to another in a warehouse for many reasons. This is done in the warehouse management system, and can be done between any active bins. In order to do this, you need to know the warehouse number, plant and storage location, part number, sourcing destination bins, and quantity. Begin by opening SAP. To do this, you will need to find the SAP login shortcut located on your computer. When the login window appears, select the P01 server and double-click it. This will automatically open another window where you will need to enter your SAP username and password, and then single-click on the green check mark in the top left corner of the screen. Before you move a part, you will need to make sure the part is available in the bin location you are using for the source bin. This can be done by going to the main SAP session screen, and entering the following transaction to view part numbers by bin location. Once inside the transaction, you must enter the warehouse number, material, plant, and storage location in the appropriate fields. After that, you must single-click on the green check mark at the top left of the screen. Once you are in the transaction, you can see the bins where your part number is available in the warehouse. At this point, you will need to record the bin that you will be removing material from, and back out to the main SAP Session Manager screen. Once there, open the following transaction in order to create a stock transport order. When you are in the transaction, you will need to enter movement type 999, the material number you wish to move, the quantity you want to move, and the plant and storage location to remove the material from. Next, single-click the single item button at the top left of the screen. Once in the transaction, you must uncheck the confirm box if you will be confirming the transfer after the item is moved, but it will need to be checked if the item has already been moved, and you only need to perform a one-step transfer. For this example, we will create a transfer, and then confirm it. Next, enter the bin type 100, and storage bin location into the from box. And then enter the same information for the destination box. This information must match exactly for the transfer order to work. Once those are entered, you will need to single-click on the green check mark at the top of your screen. You may get a yellow warning message stating that the bin you entered is not the default bin for the item. Press Enter to clear the warning. If you left the confirm box checked, you will get a warning to check your entries. This is the last step in the one-step transfer order. Once this is complete, you need to record the transfer order number at the bottom of the screen. As you can see in the warehouse monitor for this component, there is now an open transfer order to move the item to the destination bin. After you physically move the item to the destination bin, go to the SAP main session menu and enter the following transaction to confirm the transfer order. Once inside the transaction, you will need to enter the transfer order number located at the top of the pick ticket into the transfer order field. Next, single-click on the green check mark at the top left of the screen. This will open the transfer order. Once inside, you will need to verify the information on your pick ticket matches the transfer order, and single-click on the Save button. Once this is complete, you can see that the open pick quantity is gone in the warehouse system, and the item is now ready for use.